hope that you enjoyed this little tour of our cozy, elegant, and glam breakfast area. If you want to stick around a few minutes, I'll let you know where some of the things are from. We'll start over here on the right with these beautiful teardrop mirrors from HomeGoods for only $20. They were such a great find and really adorn this wall. I grabbed this little picture from at home, which fits perfectly in the corner over here, right by the bar cart and the mirrors. It was $14.99 and it reminds me every day to enjoy the little things in life. Sometimes Ross has absolutely the best buys. This beauty of a bar cart was only $64.99. It has mirrors at the top and bottom and is embellished with this acrylic trim. And this is how I decorated the top. The vase is from Hobby Lobby. It was $6.99. I already had those flowers. And this is a DIY candle holder. I have a video on how I made it. If you're interested in watching that, I'll leave the link below. The candle holder was pieced together. My cats broke a martini glass and I used the bottom and then one of those crystal flower candle holders and glued them together. And at the bottom I have some cookbooks and a decanter which came from HomeGoods. I can't remember the price of it. Somewhere between $12.99 and $19.99 I think it was. And then the martini glasses are from Ross as well, and they were $6.99 each. This pedestal table and bar height tufted chairs came from a local furniture store about 2 years ago, and I paid around $1,100 for it. I am in love with this beaded pillow. It looks like it was made for this chair. It was another great HomeGoods find for $24.99. I found this absolutely stunning and gorgeous gold beaded placemat at HomeGoods for $10. Unfortunately, the camera doesn't do this little beauty any justice. Those little faceted gold beads just sparkle and twinkle so beautifully. These cute little gold birds are hanging out on top of this white decanter I got from HomeGoods for only $14.99, and the flowers were purchased from Michael's. What would budget-friendly decor be without an item from Dollar Tree? That is where this apple came from. This cute pedestal bowl from HomeGoods made the perfect companion for that gorgeous beaded placemat, as well as these gorgeous orbs from Hobby Lobby that I purchased at 50% off. This is my current table setting with a placemat from Kirkland and a napkin from Pier 1, as well as the napkin holder, and the plate is actually from HomeGoods and it was a set of 4 for $12.99. I love the details on this plate. It is absolutely gorgeous. We keep all of our fresh fruit in this 3-tiered basket, and I put some flowers at the bottom to give it that spring fresh feel. It was only $50 from HomeGoods. These cute little owls made their way on top of this window ledge, and they were from at home during Christmas time, and they were like $5.99 and $7.99 each. Believe it or not, this hutch has been around since the 90s, and yes, I hang on to it and I still kind of like it. It is nestled in the corner of this area and houses a lot of sentimental items, such as this little bunny that hangs out here all year. It was a gift from my brother. This little cat was also a gift, and it was white and black, but I decided to give it some gold sparkle. And this decanter was a purchase from Hobby Lobby years and years ago. The inspiration for this teacup wall art came from Helen with Beauty Meets DIY. She has a channel and she has a different design, but check it out when you get a minute. I embellished it with rhinestone trim, and the steam came from a Christmas ornament from Hobby Lobby. This live orchid was a Valentine's gift from my husband, and the pot was a purchase from Goodwill for $2.99, and I just embellished it with some rhinestones. I still can't believe that I only paid $40 for this Facebook Marketplace find. I did have to drive an hour and a half to get it, but it was brand new in the box and retailed for over $250. I found this beautiful fabric at Hobby Lobby and turned it into a Roman shade. This 7 square foot shag rug from Safavi with arabesque design complements the Roman shades perfectly and was such a great deal at only $147. It is now $182, but it is still available from Amazon if you are interested. I want to thank you all so much for watching, and I truly appreciate each and every one of you. If you enjoyed this video and found some inspiration, please consider subscribing, liking, comment, and sharing. I will leave you with the ambiance of a nighttime view. Take care, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.